no proof is not enough.
Welcome guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we will see assignment operators in PHP. So for example, I create a variable here $a and I assign it a value 10. So we just assigned a value by saying equal here. Now if you say here $a and then you say equals $a and then we say here plus 5. Okay, so what do you think what we are going to get? We're gonna get an echo here, and I'm gonna say $a. Okay, so when we see here we have the $a, which is 10, and it is going to go here, and it's going to have 5 more, and it's going to assign it to $a, and we should get 15. So let's see here, I refresh, we get 15. So this is how it works. Now if in case you want to write it in a short way, we can, instead of writing it this way, we can also write it like this. So it's going to be $a plus equals 5. Now for the first timers it's going to be a bit confusing, so but you try to understand here that what we are doing here is these two things are exactly the same and doing the same operation. So we are saying $a is equal to $a plus 5, and here we are saying $a is equal to 5. So that means plus $a. So if you want to write it like this, that's fine. If you don't want to write it like this, it's going to be totally fine. So if I comment this one out and save here, refresh, we should still be getting 15. You can see I'm refreshing, it's not changing. So this is how you put it. So you will be seeing this in the code when you be checking other people's code in your development career. Now here, instead of this, we can pass minus as well. Now what do you think we are going to get? It should give us 5 this time. So we go here, refresh, we have 5. All right, now I go here again. Now if you want to do the divide here, you can do that, no problem about that too. So if I go here, refresh, we get 2. So you get the idea here. Now if, for your understanding, for seeing how these things work, it's better that you start with something like this and try to change it to this pattern, like how it is working. So I'm gonna comment these all now. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put this as well so that you can see, and if you want to practice it, you can have the idea what exactly it is like. So semicolon, and I'm just going to copy this. And here, the top one is plus, this one is into. So these are all the same. Now one more thing I want to tell you here, like if you are calculating numbers, now if I say here $b is equal to 10 plus $a, and then I say plus 2. Okay, so we have $a, which is 10, we are adding 10 into it, as well as we are adding 2, so we should get 22. Okay, so if we go here, refresh, okay, we are getting 10. Why is that? Now we are getting 10 here. Okay, my bad, I'm printing $a, so it's going to be 10, so we need to print $b here. So just gonna put it here, save. Now we should get 22, and I refresh here, we get 22. Now if you do this, that if you change this and this plus, instead of this I'm going to say into. Now what do you think we are going to get? We have 10 plus 2, which is going to be 12, and it's going to be 10 times 120, so we get 120. Now the noticeable thing here is that when we have parentheses, any calculation that you put inside it going to happen first. So here, when this PHP sees this statement, PHP not going to multiply 10 with 2 or 10 with $a. PHP first going to calculate these two, and then it is going to multiply it with the 10. So this is how it is going to work. So you should have the understanding. Now if I say here, just gonna copy this, paste here, and comment this one out. Now this time I put this one here and cut this like this. All right, now we have these two in brackets, so the outcome, which was coming 120, is turns 102. The reason we have 10 into 10 because PHP is calculating this first, and after that whatever comes, it is adding 2 to it. So that's how it behaves. So you should have the understanding how PHP is running, and if you need to calculate something first or in order, you can use these things as well. Hope you liked it. See you in the next video.
And I'll go is not